planning a trip to Thailand? Want to experience it like a pro and avoid common tourist mistakes? Then stick around because we're breaking down everything you need to know to explore Thailand smartly and stress-free. From bustling city life in Bangkok to the stunning beaches of Phuket and Krabi, Thailand is an adventure waiting to happen. But there's one secret to making your trip even better: traveling with the right buddy. In this video, we'll cover essential travel hacks, budgeting tips, and safety advice so you and your travel partner can have the trip of a lifetime. Stick around until the end for a bonus travel hack that will save you time and money. First things first, packing. Thailand is hot and humid, so pack light clothing, comfortable shoes, and sunscreen. If you plan on visiting temples, bring a scarf or a light cover-up. Many require modest clothing to enter. And don't forget a universal power adapter. Thailand uses different plug types, and you don't want to be stuck with a dead phone. Once you land, the first thing you should do is buy a Thai SIM card at the airport. Having internet access will make navigating, booking rides, and staying in touch with your travel buddy so much easier. If you and your friend ever get separated, share your live location through Google Maps or WhatsApp. Trust us, it's a lifesaver. Now, welcome to Bangkok, your first stop. If you want to visit the Grand Palace, arrive early to avoid the crowds. And remember, no shorts, no sleeveless shirts. Feeling hungry? Bangkok street food is legendary and super affordable. A full meal can cost as little as $3. Make sure to try pad thai, mango sticky rice, and Thai iced tea. These are absolute must-haves. Now, let's talk beaches and islands. Thailand has some of the most beautiful tropical locations. But here's a tip: avoid the overcrowded tourist spots. If you're heading to Phuket or Krabi, book your island ferries in advance to get the best prices. Last-minute tickets can be way more expensive. Shopping in Thailand is fun, but here's the golden rule: never accept the first price. Vendors expect you to bargain, so start at half the price, be polite, and if they don't budge, walk away. Most times, they'll call you back with a better deal. Thailand's nightlife is incredible, from rooftop bars in Bangkok to the legendary full moon party on Koh Phangan. But here's a safety tip: always watch your drinks and stick with your travel buddy. And that's how you travel to Thailand like a pro. With the right planning, a good travel buddy, and these insider tips, you'll have an unforgettable experience. What's the first thing you would do in Thailand? Let us know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new travel guide. See you in the next adventure.